Since Edward was the smallest of the engines he lived with, they usually picked on him a lot. Seems like a driver won't choose you again. He wants strong engines like us. Would you like to go out? Would you like to go out? Yes, please. Hello. I'm going out again tomorrow. What do you think of that? Dreadful. He barely heard any comments because he was so happy he fell asleep at once. Thomas was a young engine who always tried to be really useful. Him and his friends always lived on the bottom of the soil and they didn't have it any other way. But while it was always peaceful there, I think some trouble was here. While the problem had the fact that Gulliver was on vacation, their friends from Tiny Conservation listed the note they would be coming to help out. Okay, is my reliable, responsible, and ready soldier ready? Now I can go to Soul. I'm going to go meet Mr. Conductor. He's going to take care of us on stuff and have to take our very important holiday. We can take care of ourselves. Get on my way, What was that? Edward told me he's a problem. That's Diesel 10. He was sent here to help us, but he behaves as though he hates us. I think he's a really scary engine. Really useful engines can only be brave, Mr. Thomas. Yeah, but I'm still scared. Get ready, danger. Whoa, botheration! Thomas! Make the most of tonight, twinkle toes, because you won't like tomorrow. I lost all my sparkle. To get it back, I must find the lost engine. We must find the lost engine, but how? I don't know. Smile, you steamers! It's a Sunday! A fat hat is a word that counts. That's us. We'll play. Yeah. What? We're gonna make the steam engine's lives miserable. Indeed. Their history was a need is diesels. What about Mr. Conductor? Yeah, he'll stop for doing no-nos like that. That buffoon needs gold dust, and he's just run out of his supply. Didn't you want to destroy them all? sorry, didn't mean to do that. Yeah. I'm going to spy on Diesel's head. We don't know which bubbles lead to the magic bubble, so we'll destroy them all, Splodge. This is profound. I'll have to distract him. It's the old team! Smash him!
Boss, in any way did you mean to do that?
I mean I don't say what I mean. Diesel 10 was furious when he found out Thomas won the Magic Railroad to save Ladybug Golden Angel. Stay away! Yeah, get back! Come on, Benji's been starving for a funnel of soup. Thomas, don't cross. The viaduct is dangerous. Well, I'm gonna have to cross it anyway. Little engines can do big things. Whoa, you can't see cannons! The magic will forever be restored. You're beautiful. Not too shabby yourself. Happy 80th!
He's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they'll tell you so. He huffs and puffs and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's the really useful engine we adore. He's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the Fat Controller, he told him so.